Today, we're having a conversation about the new and upcoming Convergence Conference. The theme of the conference is Think, Link, and Leap.
There's a gap in the market for a chance to get together and collaborate amongst different topics. Those topics just around agriculture and food and health and wellness. Content is key for us around the Convergence Conference as we come together. It seems like there's still some silos that exist. We just needed a platform. We expect people will leave with new ideas. They'll leave with some partnership opportunities. They'll leave with friendships. They'll leave with new contacts. I think our goal with this conference is to make sure that every single minute is valuable. We're going to ask the people there to just help us create really good interactions throughout.
We need information that's going to impact us today and into the next 2-3 years. What should they really be looking at adopting in new technology on their farm? Farmers have always said, I can do a lot of neat things on farm, but I need to make sure it's profitable. I got to be able to make it worth my while financially. All right, and I have to fit it into my abilities and business practices. Those things are all coming, but we have to figure out how to make it real, right? How do we make it so it can be implemented on the average farm? How does the cost structure make sure there's some profit in it? I think as we have those type of discussions in a collaborative world, that's where the conference here has a really unique place that just doesn't really exist today.
We are looking to create a conduit to gather the most amazing farms, the most amazing agronomists, marketers, technology, business advisors, and mindsets in agriculture. I strongly believe that our neighbor isn't our competitor, and we need to work together for the greater good. It's going to stretch the boundaries a little bit of what you traditionally would see at a farm conference.
I just believe that, honestly, it'll be that energy that you probably haven't felt in a while in agriculture. And so looking forward to, the smiles and the handshakes and seeing everybody in February.